A very good morning to all of you. This is the fifth video from the unit Arithmetic Progression. In the last video, I have discussed the general terms of an AP. We have derived its formula and also solved some problems based on using that formula. Also, we have calculated that how to find the total number of terms in any given sequence. Here in this, I will discuss the middle terms of a finite arithmetic progression. Let there be a finite arithmetic progression with the first term a, common difference d, and the number of terms n. Then for the value of n, two different cases arises. One is if n is odd, another case is if n is even. Considering one by one both the cases. If n is odd, then in this case n plus 1 by 2th term is the middle term and is given by the formula a plus n plus 1 by 2 minus 1 into d. Where from we get this? Using the formula for the general term of an AP. Now case 2. If n is even, then in this case we will have two middle terms given by n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. So using the formula for the general term of the AP, we will find these middle terms as a plus n by 2 minus 1 into d for the first middle term, and for the second middle term a plus n by 2 plus 1 minus 1 into d, which after simplification reduced to a plus n by 2 into d. So this is second middle term respectively. Now let us try to understand this concept considering few examples. Here in the first example I have find the middle term of the AP given by 6, 13, 20 and so on till 216. These are the terms of the AP. Clearly these given terms is an arithmetic progression with the first term a equal to 6 and common difference d equal to 7. How we conclude? We will have to find the difference between two consecutive terms. If it is same, then we can say it is an arithmetic progression. Now let there be n terms in the given arithmetic progression. Then from this given sequence, we have the last term an equal to 216. Using the formula for the general term, we have a plus n minus 1 into d equal to 216. Now putting the value of a equal to 6 and d equal to 7, I have 6 plus n minus 1 into 7 equal to 216. This implies 7n is equal to 217, that is n is equal to 31. Here n is odd, so the middle term is n plus 1 by 2th term, that is 31 plus 1 by 2, that is 16th term is the middle term. How can we find the 16th term? Using the formula for the general term, that is a16 it is equal to a plus 16 minus 1 into d, which is equal to a plus 15 into d, which is equal to, that is 6 plus 15 into 7, putting the value a equal to 6 and d is equal to 7. And we have the middle term as 16th term, which is equal to 111. Moving to the next question. Find the middle terms of the AP given by 7, 13, 19 and so on till 241. Again using the same concept, we can say that the given sequence is an AP with the first term A equal to 7 and the common difference D equal to 6. Now let there be n terms in the AP. Then from the given sequence we have AN equal to 241. Using the formula for the general term of an AP, A plus n minus 1 into D, it is equal to 241. Putting the value of A and D, A we have 7 and D we have 6. So putting its value, we get 7 plus n minus 1 into 6, it is equal to 241. This implies 6n, it is equal to 240. Therefore, n is equal to 40. Clearly, n is what? Even. So, we will have two middle term here. That is, n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term, both will be the middle term. So, 20th and 21st term are the middle term. That is, we will have to find A20 and A21 using the formula for the general term of an AP. And here we have A20, it is equal to A plus 20 minus 1 into D, which is equal to A plus 19D. Putting the values of A and D, we have 7 plus 19 into 6, which is equal to 121. This is the first middle term. Next is A21. So we have A plus 21 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 20 into D. It is equal to 7 plus 20 into 6, which is equal to 127. And therefore we have 121 and 127 as the middle term of the given AP. Now considering the next question. Find the middle term of the AP given by 213, 205, 197 and so on till 37. That is, nth term is given as 37 here. Here the first term A, it is equal to 213. Common difference D, it is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 205 minus 213, which is equal to minus 8. Again, let the AP contains n terms. Then here we have nth term Tn equal to 37. As I have already explained you that nth term is also written by An or Tn. So here symbol used is Tn. So using the formula for the general term of an AP, I have A plus n minus 1 into D, it is equal to 37. Putting the value of A and D, I have 213 plus n minus 1 into minus 8, it is equal to 37. This implies 221 minus 8n, it is equal to 37. This implies 8n, it is equal to 184. Therefore, n is equal to 23. Thus, the given AP contains 23 terms and n is what? Odd. Therefore, its middle term is n plus 1 by 2th term, that is 21 plus 1 by 2, which is 12th term. We will find the 12th term using the formula of the general term. So T12, it is equal to A plus 12 minus 1 into D, which gives A plus 11D. Putting the value of A and D, I have 213 plus 11 into minus 8, which gives 213 minus 88, which is equal to 125. Hence, the middle term is 125. Now let us consider another question. And here in this, in the given AP, 1, 7, 13, 19 and so on till 415, prove that the sum of the middle terms is equal to the sum of the first and the last terms. So what we observe from the given AP? Here we have the first term A equal to 1 and the common difference, that is the difference between two consecutive terms, D, it is equal to 6. Now let there be n terms in the given AP. and from the given AP we have the nth term equal to 415. So using the formula for the general term of an AP, I have here a plus n minus 1 into d, it is equal to 415. Putting the value of a equal to 1 and d equal to 6, I have 1 plus n minus 1 into 6, which is equal to 415. This implies 6n, it is equal to 420. Therefore n is equal to 70. Now since n is 70 and it is an even number, so we will have two middle terms, that is 70 by 2th term and 70 by 2 plus 1th term. So 35th and 36th term are the middle terms. Now for finding 35th terms of the AP, we have A35, it is equal to A plus 34D, using the formula for the general term of an AP. Now putting the value of A and D, I have A plus 34 into 6, which is equal to 205. This is the first middle term. For the second middle term, I have A36, that is 36th term. So it is equal to A plus 35 into D, which gives A plus 35 into 6, taking the value of A and D here. After simplification, I have 36 term equal to 211. Now, taking the sum of the middle terms, that is A35 plus A36, it is equal to 205 plus 211, which gives 416. Now, in the question, we are supposed to find the sum of first term and the last term. First term, it is given here as 1. And the last term, it is, that is 70th term, A70, which is equal to 415. So getting the sum of A1 plus A70, it is equal to 1 plus 415, which gives 416. And so both the sum of middle terms is equal to the sum of first and the last term. So this is proved. Thank you for today.